In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an order on Fiverr as a buyer. Whether you're new to Fiverr or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can check out with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr and hit enter. Look for the official Fiverr website in the search results and click it. A quick tip: make sure you're on the genuine site by checking the address bar and looking for a secure connection before you proceed. Once you're on Fiverr, it's time to choose a gig. You can browse by category or use the search bar to find exactly what you need, like logo design, video editing, or copywriting. When you find a gig that looks promising, open it and take a moment to review the description, examples of past work, delivery times, and revision policy. Check the ratings and recent reviews to see how other buyers felt about the experience. This quick review can save you time and ensure you pick the right service for your needs. On the gig page, you'll typically see 3 packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. Compare what each package includes, such as word count, number of designs, delivery speed, or the number of revisions. Choose the package that matches your scope and deadline, not just the lowest price. If there are optional extras, consider only what you truly need so your order stays focused and clear. When you're ready, click Continue. Review your selections one more time, including the package and any add-ons. Then click Continue again to move to the checkout page. Here, you'll add your payment method. Fiverr supports major credit and debit cards, and you can also pay with PayPal in many regions. You'll see the total price, including any applicable fees and taxes, before you confirm. Enter your billing details carefully and double-check everything for accuracy. Only provide information requested by the secure payment form and avoid sharing sensitive details anywhere else. When everything looks good, click Pay to place your order. After you pay, Fiverr will guide you to the order requirements page. This is where you'll provide the information the seller needs to get started, things like your project brief, files, or brand guidelines. Clear, concise instructions help your seller deliver exactly what you want. Keep all communication on Fiverr for transparency and protection, and respond promptly to questions to keep your timeline on track. That's it. You've successfully placed an order on Fiverr as a buyer. Happy hiring and good luck with your project.